What's up, everybody? I am Magic KBS, and I thought I would do is first unboxing as my first episode for that. And my channel is only about magical shows, except for My Little Pony right here because I already have a channel for that. And I don't talk about it. I just already have a channel that's My Little Pony related. I just don't want to make two My Little Pony related shows. I will be talking about magical shows like what I'm about to do. For that, I will be talking about Owl House when it comes out, and I will be also talking about Star vs. the Force of Evil, Miraculous Ladybugs. Technically, that is a magic surrounding that. So I will be talking about that, and I will be talking about Sailor Moon. But here's the thing: I'm gonna read volume 3 of the manga. I got more to go. So, without further ado, let's do the unboxing. All right, the unboxings for something I will be doing another review on. Oh, it's already open. Oh, and I got scissors with me. All right. I just got this in the mail. I ordered it. So, I said I'll never take this box out with this box. The Cure Passion Harp. Okay. I love Pretty Cure, and Pretty Cure will be probably the main thing along with Owl House when it comes out. I'll be talking about because I love Pretty Cure a lot, and Owl House is getting up there with lots of stuff. Okay. Alright. Then I brought a screwdriver down here. Cure Passion is one of my favorites. She is my favorite of the heart. Not the heart catch. That's someone else. The fresh team, which I'll be doing season reviews of Pretty Cure, but that's only when I got the series done. Alright. So, as you can see here, I put this on, and I could take it off. Sorry, I can do it one hand being. And you guys will probably see a bigger update when I get some other items. Like, probably see when, I don't know if I'm going to get it same day, but you'll probably see a bigger update when I get more Pretty Cure stuff, or some Owl House stuff, or basically any stuff that's magical, like Sailor Moon or Star vs. the Force of Evil. You won't see this right here anymore, because I ordered something that is Pretty Cure related, and it's going to go right above right here. So, yeah, let's open it. Yeah, I brought it down too quick because sometimes when you get Pretty Cure stuff, the way to open it, you got pushed down on it, and it'll open up for you. Oh, damn, that's enough. Alright. Sometimes you need more than one battery. I got these. Oh. I need the super skinny ones. Got 2 of them right here. Alright, so let's test this out.
해피 운세, 패션 하프, 해피 운세, 멜로디 하프놀이, 멜로디 하프놀이. 준비 시작. 정말 잘하네. 해피 운세, 패션 하프, 불러라 행복의 랩소디, 패션 하프. 세차게 불어라 행복의 바람, 프리큐어 해피니스 허리케인.
I actually feel like my favorite.
해피 운세, 패션 하프, 불러라 행복의 랩소디, 패션 하프. 세차게 불어라 행복의 바람, 프리큐어 해피니스 허리케인.
So that's the harp, Hessian harp, and I love it. It's pretty cool. I got it on Amazon. That's where I got most of my Precure stuff. The two I got won't. I got another two things, but they won't come until December 3rd. Definitely you'll have that banner. You know those roll-up banners you get for anime? Like, I got right here for Fullmetal Alchemist. Yeah, that's the one I got for Precure, and it's going to go right there. So, see ya, folks. Bye.